Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing hardware and account so nothing blocks capture. First, pair your 360 degrees camera or enable your phone's panorama mode. This ensures accurate metadata. Once paired, grant camera and storage permissions so the app writes files directly. Make sure you have enough free storage and a charged battery. Low power can throttle capture quality. Also sign into cloud backup and enable automatic upload so images sync immediately. Doing this prevents lost shots and speeds the next steps. Now you capture and move your VR photos onto the phone for viewing. You should stabilize the camera, tripod or steady hand, then shoot at the highest quality or RAW so you keep detail for VR viewers. Once shot, use the app Stitch Preview to confirm seams and horizon alignment, reshoot if necessary. After that, transfer images to your phone via USB, Wi-Fi transfer, or automatic cloud sync. Make sure files are in one dedicated folder and named consistently so VR apps can detect them. Finish by viewing and optimizing for phone VR playback so your images look correct. Open the 360 or VR Viewer app, choose mono versus stereo depending on capture, and check resolution and compression settings to balance quality and performance. If you see stitching artifacts, restitch in the app or desktop software at higher quality. Once done, test playback in cardboard or headset mode. If playback fails, clear the app cache, reinstall, or convert the image to a compatible format like JPEG with embedded 360 degrees metadata. That usually fixes issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.